Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City vinyl window installation? You're in the right place. Let's explore everything you need to know about replacing your home windows in Salt Lake City. Many homeowners make common mistakes when choosing vinyl window installations. Here are 3 crucial blunders to avoid. First, not doing enough research. To avoid this, thoroughly research installation companies. Read reviews, compare prices, and get multiple quotes. Secondly, overspending by not asking clear questions. Clarify the quote details with your contractor to know the full cost to avoid surprises in pricing. The third mistake is making last-minute decisions. To prevent regrets, plan ahead and discuss your preferences with your contractor in advance. Understanding Salt Lake City vinyl replacement window prices is crucial. Prices can vary depending on window features and installation requirements. Homeowners often ask about the best time to install windows and the potential energy savings. These insights can help make informed decisions. Ready to upgrade your home? Call us now for a free quote for new windows, 385-300-0903, or visit windowsforhomes.com/home windows. Let's transform your spaces.